look what I have. It's a helicopter that has wheels, and I know this is crazy, but it has a bumper on front. I put that on there. I thought it might look cool. The driver can get in. He's got 4 actual intense wheels. He has these on the side, and he has this on the back where a hook stays. To go like this. This also has wheels where this also has wheels. The binoculars are in here. My bad. When you lock this in, and you close this up, this will roll. See how it rolls? Like this too, but see how it does that? I don't like that.
All right, tell them bye, buddy.
Bye-bye.
Who you telling bye?
Bye, subscribers.